CVT economy smart, fuel efficient. Please don't hesitate to give us a call. We value you as a customer, and would love the chance to get you in this beautiful 2008 Nissan Altima. J.D. Power and Associates gave the 2008 Altima 4 out of 5 power circles for overall initial quality. This 2008 Altima 2.5S was the second year of a redesign that took a top 5 selling vehicle and made it significantly better, offering more luxury, extra power, and refined styling. New car test drive said it offers a sporty alternative to the other mid-size sedans, and we think it's a good choice. Automatic transmission. Look off Toyota, where it is always fast, fair and friendly.